Hi friends, welcome to Stockhood channel, a place where we discuss investing strategies with facts. So friends, today I'm very excited to share with you one of a rising star in the Indian technology company, which can give you almost a 10x or even 20x returns in the next 3 to 4 years. So this company is a very good bet for an investors who are ready to park their money for 3 to 4 years, and also this company can also has a potential to be a future Infosys in the Indian IT technology landscape. All right, so in this video I'm going to discuss about various points. I'm breaking up this video into 3 parts. Basically, the first part will be about the technical and the fundamental analysis of this stock, and then we'll delve about the company, what the company actually does, and in the final part we'll be discussing about why this company is a sure bet for a multi-bagger in the next 3 to 4 years. Right. Also, friends, before we get started into this video, a humble request from my side to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So to start with the technical and fundamental analysis, I just want to bring about the price chart of this company, where you can clearly see that this company was trading almost about 80 to 90 rupees for a long period of time from March 2017 up till almost September 2020. Right, and then the company started to shoot up, and from there I think it has given a good run up to 2000, and there is a small correction in the market now. This stock also has corrected about 10 to 12% in the recent times. So now you can clearly see that it is touching the 50 days moving average, and it's starting to bounce back. I think this is a very good time for the investors who are interested in this company to start investing in small quantities and increase in a regular time frame. Right. Going to the other parts, let us go and look into the annual and the quarterly results of this company, where here you can clearly see this is the annual report. This is the financial statement for the last 10 years, where you can clearly see that the sales was constant in the range of about 350 crores to 500 crores until March 2017, and then it has started to increase its revenue on a consistent basis. Right, from 2019 to March 2020, there was almost a double in the revenue of the company revenue. Right, and also if you see the last trailing 12-month revenue, it is in a very good shape. Right, and also it is doing quite profitably with almost around 600 crores of profits annually. Then if you see the quarterly results of this company also, it is showing a very good trend. Starting from September 2020, it has been consistently increasing every quarter. And if you compare the recent results, that is in December 2021 to that of December 2020, there is almost a 50% jump in the revenue, and also the profits are also near to doubled. Then also one of the other parameters which interested me is the shareholding pattern of this company. If you see the FII investment in this company from December 2020, it has been consistently increased, and from December 2020 to December 2021, almost there is an increase of almost 3.5% in the FII investment. And also the promoter holding is quite strong, and in the recent quarter they have increased their holding in the company. So this slide, I want to just bring about the comparison of some of the key parameters in the IT sector. If you see the ROCE and ROE of companies like Infosys, HCL, and the recent companies that has given a good run up, the ROCE is in the range of 21 to 35%, and ROE is in the range of 16 to 27%. Right, and also these are all in a high valuation terms, especially the companies like Emphasis and Persistent Systems, which is having a PE of 52 and 42. If you see the similar parameters of the company in discussion, the ROCE is almost 52% and ROE is 44%. That is, every 100 rupees deployed in this company, the company is able to make profits of almost 50 rupees. Right. And also the PE, given that the ROCE and ROE is very high, the PE of 47, I think it is still reasonable for this kind of company to be invested in. Now coming to the second part, in this section we'll see what the company actually does and what are its major products. Right. So this company is basically an A2P communication provider, that is application to person communication provider that enables business to communicate with their customer and other intended recipients. Right. So basically this company is headquartered in Hyderabad, India, and was founded in 2000. Right. It also calls itself the world largest CPaaS player, and also almost 70% of India's A2P SMS traffic is processed through its products. Right. And if you see the revenue share between India and the overseas market in FY19, the revenue share of India was almost 81%, and now it has reduced to 77%. Right. This means that the overseas business has increased from 19% in FY19 to 23% currently. To see about the products, they have majorly three products, which is Wisely, TrueBlock, and IoT platforms. Apart from that, they have other two products, which is basically in the messaging and voice sector, which is not a major revenue provider for this company, but also an important product. If you see what Wisely does, Wisely is basically a blockchain enabled cloud native application which helps enterprises to deliver their SMS or other messages to the end recipients in a secured and a reliable manner. We'll talk further about this product Wisely. If you see the architecture, you can understand this part of the technology, because I am from the IT background. Here it clearly shows that any message that an enterprise want to deliver to its end recipients, it can be delivered through a cloud enabled platform, that is Wisely, which is blockchain and cloud enabled with AI and ML technologies implemented, that can be securely delivered through the telcos to the end customer. So this is an important and a very useful platform that is available, and they are the market leaders in this product. And also, if you see, they have partnered with Microsoft for some of the cloud application, and Microsoft can indeed market Wisely for some of its existing and new clients. So this is also a major advantage for this company, because it will have the sales and other operating advantages of Microsoft in marketing their product worldwide. The other product they have is TrueBlock, which is a similar application, but this is not cloud enabled, but this is also, they say that it is the world's first blockchain enabled distributor ledger technology. The third and the major vertical of their product is IoT. Now, as you are aware that every company, whether it is a salt manufacturing company or the aviation sector, have all started to implement IoT in their factories. So this also is a major revenue generating vertical for this company in the future. But this is not a niche product of this company compared to Wisely and TrueBlock, especially because there are various other companies which is also providing IoT services. Now we'll come to the third and the final section of this video, where I'll talk about why this company has a great potential to be a market leader and also provide you 10x or even 20x returns in the next 3 to 4 years. Right, as I mentioned in this, these are some of the reports, these are some of the graphs that I have collected from their annual report, where they have clearly called out that the CPaaS market, they are the leader in this particular sector, and almost there are 800 billion transactions that is happening through their applications and products every year. Right. Also in this, they also have almost a 42% of the revenue share, which is a huge chunk, and they are the market leaders in this particular sector. And also they say that 9 out of 10 or of most of the banking sector clients are using their platform for their transactions. right? And even some of the other healthcare and consumer goods products have also started using, and every 7 out of 10 such companies are using their products. And also another reason why this company has a huge potential is currently they say that the finance and insurance sector are the sectors which have implemented their products, and that is only 15% of the current requirement. So in the coming days, as more and more finance and insurance companies start implementing this technology, their product will be sold in other finance and insurance companies. And also there are various other sectors they have recognized where it will have a growth potential, like in the travel sector, the consumer goods, the government and utilities and health sector. This technology will be implemented in the next 3 to 4 years. Coming to their customer base, they have very reputed clients like Kotak Mahindra, Canara Bank, Andhra Bank and HDFC. And one of the major advantage this company has selling this product to these customers is this technology is not readily available by any of its competitors. And once any bank or any financial institute start using their product, they have to continue to use their product for multiple years until they find a suitable replacement. And these kind of products, it is not easy to find in the market. And even if the bank wishes to change this product, it is not easy to migrate from one application or a product to the other application in the future also. So these customers which the company has will continue to have for a substantial number of years. Now let's move to the final section, and which is the company which I was talking about. That is, the company is Tanla Platform. So here in this slide, I have taken some of the important graphs from their annual report, where their CEO D. Uday Reddy has called upon the future perspective of this company. So here they are calling about what is the secret sauce for their huge financial performance. They have clearly called out that the innovation that they have implemented in their company is the key secret for their company for financial stability and performance, and also the relationship that they have with the customers. And also going forward, they are showing here that they are going to utilize the Microsoft partnership in taking their product in a global level and have further revenue out of these products. So friends, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.